Here's how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can clear RAM cache in Windows 10. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, go to your web browser. So here, as you can see, I'm using Google Chrome. You could use any other web browser, but I'm using Google Chrome. But yeah, once you're inside Google Chrome here, as you can see, I've already opened this website, but you just got to search up RAM map. And once you search it up, here, as you can see, you just gotta open official Microsoft link. Once you open it up, it'll just show you this. So once you're here, you just gotta press on download RAM map. Basically, just download it. So it's only 671 KB. So it's just gonna download very quickly. Yeah. So here, as you can see, it's downloading for me. So I'm just gonna unzip the files over here. So yeah, let me just quickly unzip them. So let me just find a folder. So I'm just gonna press view all of them, and now here I'm just gonna create a newer folder for all my files. I'm gonna name it RAM map. Now I'm just gonna extract all of my stuff right over here to this. Just gotta drag it here, and once you drag it up, just basically open RAM map. And here, as you can see, I just ran a RAM map. I'm just gonna press it here. Here, as you can see, it's just gonna show me all the usage, and here's my RAM performance. Here, as you can see, it's gonna show me my RAM memory. So here, as you can see, I have totally 7.9 cache. So I'm just gonna go for empty and then empty standby list. So as you can see, it decreased all of my cache. I had 7.5 and it's now 540 megabytes. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can clear cache. RAM cache. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until goodbye, and that's it.